Right now I am waiting for the main elevator. I'll be going up to level 16 to inspect the garbage chute safety system. We have received a complaint from the consultant regarding this area. The issue reported is the debris coming from garbage chute, directly coming out from the drums, which is a serious safety concern. Here you can see the man lift arriving. The operator is inside. He's going to control this lift. As we go up, you can see all the way outside from the main lift, the surrounding the buildings and traffic and our all site environment. This lift is inspected by the safety engineers and it's 100% safe, no issues. As I can see outside, I saw 4 or 5 Lamborghinis of different color: pink, green, yellow, orange. This car belongs to one owner. Really, it's amazing. Okay, I have now reached level 16. I'm at the garbage chute area and immediately the issue is visible. The drums are exposed and they have put safety net there to protect it. Coming out from the green mesh. No issues. So I'm going to investigate it. I'm going to make the record of it. I will investigate. I will put in the data. The drums are exposed. There is excessive noise and more importantly a large amount of debris is coming out. As you can see clearly, debris is spilling outside the drums. This condition is totally unsafe, not only for the workers but anyone who is assessing this level. So loose debris, uncontrolled discharge. So I will make NCR and I will send it to consultant. I will inform you in next video. Thank you.